I'll show you how to make a natural energy drink fit for top athletes. And no, it doesn't contain any caffeine, synthetic chemicals, or harmful fake colorings. Stick around until later because I'll share with you 2 bonus ingredients that you can add into this drink that will not only launch your energy to the moon, but give you the option to add completely safe and natural coloring. Let's get right into it. To get started, we're going to need some young green coconuts with sweet water. Because they're packed with electrolytes and minerals, they'll help to keep our energy balanced so that we can face any challenge throughout the day with no caffeine burnout. The second main ingredient is organic oranges. Because they're stacked with vitamin C, they'll give us the stamina and endurance to get through the day with ease. Make sure you watch this video until the end because I'll show you the exact ratio that I mix the oranges to the coconut water. Let's get right into it. We're going to first start off by opening these young green coconuts with this awesome coconut opener tool. If you never used one of these before, then you definitely got to get one when opening green coconuts. This thing is amazing. I'll leave links down in the description box below for this exact tool. What I usually do is I'll put it under the top piece and then you can pop it right off. And then you just basically push it down. Just like that, twist. And then you pull out. Now that we have our fresh coconut water extracted and our oranges juiced, we're going to combine them together in my favorite ratio mix. And if you want to learn more about coconuts and how you can possibly make your own homemade coconut milk, then I'll leave a link for that video above and down in the description box below. Go check out that video if you always wanted to make fresh homemade coconut milk, because that is one of the best plant-based milks that I have ever drank. So when mixing the coconut water and oranges, I like to do about 1/3 orange juice. So this mason jar is it's half a gallon, which is 2 quarts or 64 ounces. I like to do 1/3 of orange juice. Let me see. That's about right. So about 1/3 orange juice to 2/3 coconut water. Perfect. And then I find that when I do 1/3 to 2/3 coconut water, it comes out pretty awesome. Because I played around with the ratios a lot, 50-50, 60-40, 70-30. And I just found that 1/3 to 2/3 works the best for me. Try it out and let me know how it comes out for you. And now on to the 2 bonus ingredients that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. This drink, as it is right now, with just the coconut water and oranges, is completely perfect as it is. And you don't have to add anything else to it if you don't want to. It is the perfect powerhouse for energy. However, if you're a little more creative and want to add some personality to your drink, then I would suggest adding something like fresh ginger. If you're someone who deals with maybe sore joints, inflammation, indigestion, then adding fresh ginger might be a great option for you. Also, if you want to add some natural coloring to your drink that is completely safe and natural and won't harm you, like those synthetic energy drinks out there, then I would suggest adding something like pink dragon fruit or blackberries. You could do any type of fruit with the dark colors that are packed with anthocyanins, which give them that dark colors. Okay, you ready? We're gonna start with adding the ginger first. I would use ginger sparingly if you haven't really used ginger in juices before. Just add as you need. I'm gonna add a big one in mine. Ginger energy drink right here. The next one is going to be the dragon fruit. Let's see. Do this without spilling. So the fruit, I'll just put the fruit in, let it soak. Hold on. Let me see if I can just pour this thing in. So what I would do is you can either just leave the dragon fruit in it, and when you drink, you can eat the dragon fruit also, right? Or if not, you can let it soak for 24 hours and it'll pull out all the coloring from the drink. And there you have it. And awesome. And there you have it, a all-natural, high-performance energy drink fit for any top athlete. If you would like my free Eat the Rainbow shopping grocery list to help you to stay organized and save you time when you go grocery shopping, then comment the word rainbow down below and I'll be sure to get that out to you. I'll leave links in the description box on some of the products that I used today. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more about simple and delicious plant-based foods that you can whip up right in your own kitchen, then check out my video right here where I share with you what I eat on a plant-based lifestyle to keep me lean and fit. Watch this video right here and I'll see you there.